So boys and girls, for this math lesson and activity, you're going to need the count and compare butterfly sheets. They're in your green at-home learning folder, and there are 4 sheets. It says page 1 of 4, 2 of 4, 3 of 4, and 4 of 4. You're going to take the directions, put them over. You're going to cut out this sheet of butterfly cards and this sheet of butterfly cards. And then this is your game board. All my butterfly cards out, and each card represents a different amount, right? We have a tens frame, and then some of the butterflies are in regular order, like this one is showing 4. And then some of them are called pairwise, where they're matched up together, and this is showing 4. So this tens frame shows 4 butterflies, and so does this one. So you'll see that in all of your butterfly tens frames that they're representing different numbers. Here we have 3, 5, another one that's 5 but looks different than this 5. You're going to put all your cards in a pile. Okay, so here is the game board for the game, and I've cut out all the cards now, and I'm going to put them just down in the middle. I can do that. This actually says if they're the same, put them back in the pile. So I have my cards face down of all my butterflies, and this is where I goofed. Sorry, everybody. I actually went on Amazon. I bought everybody spinners they can keep at home and spinners they can keep at school in their math toolbox. And I forgot to give them today to the kids that learn at home on Wednesday. So the solution, if you are a Wednesday at home learner, you can use a paper clip and a pencil. And you just put the pencil right there on the dot. And then if I had 2 hands, and one was not holding my camera right now, I would spin it. And then whatever it lands on. So that can be your spinner. If you're going to be a Thursday at home person, you should have your spinner, as long as I don't forget to send it home. And then everyone will be able to have one spinner at home from now on in their green at home learning folder, and then one spinner in their math box. So all you do is you decide who you want to play against. It can be you versus a brother, a sister, a mom, a dad, a grandma, whoever is home with you. Or maybe if they're all busy, you could get like a stuffed animal, or you could use your dog, or you could use your cat, or somebody to be the other player. Here is my dog. He's going to play against me. Okay, Breslin, you want to play with me? You want to play the game with me? Yeah, you're excited? Okay, let's go. So I'm going to pull first, and I got 5 butterflies. Now Breslin's going to pull. And Breslin got 3 butterflies. So up here it says less, and down here it says more. So which one is more? It would be 5. So 5 is going to go here, my card. 3 is going to go here, which was Breslin's card. Now we spin. So I'm going to spin the spinner. Oop, guess what? I have it upside down. That really doesn't help, Mrs. Perlin. Spin the spinner, and it landed on less. So who had the card with less? Breslin did. So Breslin gets to keep his card, and he gets my card too. Now we go again. I'm going to draw the first card. I got 4. Breslin got 4. That is equal. That's the same. So what do? We take it, we put it in the pile, we mix them up a little bit. All right. And now we're going to pull again, because if they're equal, you can't have one that's more or less. I'm going to pull first. I got 5. What did Breslin get? He gets 9. So Breslin has more. He puts his card here. I have less. Put my card here. Now I'm going to go ahead and spin the spinner. Here we go. And I got less. So who had less? I did. So I get to get this card and Breslin's card. And now, right now, it's 2-2. The person with the most cards wins the game. So I'm going to go again. I got how many? 8. How many did Breslin get? He got 8. Oh my goodness, we both got 8. So we're going to take these cards and shuffle them up again. All right. Let's see, I got 4. And Breslin got 8. So 8 is more, 4 is less. So Breslin had gotten 8, and I had gotten 4, and then I spun the spinner and it landed on less. Before my doorbell rang and my dog was barking, and you couldn't hear this anymore. So it landed on less. I get to keep my card and Breslin's card, and now I have 4 cards. So now I'm going to pull again, and I got how many? 7. Let's see what Breslin gets. Ooh, he gets 10. So his is more. 10 is more than 7. 7's going to go in the less. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to spin. Woo! Try that again, Mrs. Perlin. This is so tricky with one hand, boys and girls. Oh, there we go. And it landed on more. So Breslin had the card with 10. He gets his plus mine in his pile. So now he has 4 cards and I have 4 cards. It's a tie. All right, the next one. I got 4 and Breslin gets 8. So 8. Sorry, that's not. 8 and 4. So I go in the less. And I'm going to go ahead and spin. And it landed in less. And that was my card. So I get my card plus Breslin's card in my pile. All right, next one. I got 9. And Breslin got how many? 4 and 3 more. That's going to give me 7. So 7 is less. And 9 is more. And I'm going to spin. I'm going to spin the spinner maybe. There we go. And Les got it. So, oh gosh, I forgot who had what. I think this was Breslin's, right? He had Les. So he gets that one and that one. All right, the last one. I got 6. And Breslin got 6. Uh-oh, it's a tie. And we can't put them back in the pile, can we? Because there's no more cards to mix them with. So I guess we each just get 1. And let's see what happens. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And Breslin has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We tied. Can you believe it? We tied. 7 and 7. It's equal. So it's a tie game. Another way that you can play is, let's say it wasn't a tie game. Let's say that I had 7 and Breslin had 6. Then you put all your, so 6 is less and 7 is more. And then you could spin for your final fate. And less 1. And so Breslin would win the whole kit and caboodle, win the whole game. So that's how you can end the game too. You can decide before you play if you want to do it for all the marbles or you want to keep track of who has the most cards. All right, I hope you have fun playing this game at your house. Your goal by playing this game is working on greater and less, so you know which one has more, which one has less, and seeing those dots, or we have butterflies, and so it's seeing those patterns in the tens frame. Those are the 2 things you're really working on with this game. Have fun.